to the Holy Spirit. I'm trying to send it. You gotta do it to be it to live it. We gon' declare to the day that we finish. Ain't no limits. We authentic. Day. Shame if you run it.
Good afternoon. How are you? Pastor Jay finished up with church today. Awesome time. Awesome worship. Matthew 12:33 and 37 says this. Either make the tree good and its fruit good, or else make the tree bad and its fruit bad. For a tree is known by its fruit. But I say to you that for every idle word men may speak, they will give an account of it in the day of judgment. For by your words you will be justified, and by your words you will be condemned. Zig Ziglar taught it like this. Your attitude, not your aptitude, determines your altitude. And I think that plays very present. The way we deal with things, the way we react, the way we respond makes a difference. If I tell you good morning, do you say good morning back? God, if I say thank you, do you say you're welcome? We as a people, we as people of the world, or in any aspect of life, need to understand, especially Christians, we have to have a good attitude. We have to be peaceful. We have to be loving. Remember that this week as you go throughout the week. Stay connected to God. Stay connected to people to do with it. So stay positive, stay peaceful, and stay loving. And God will continue to bless it. You know what I always say? Connect with us, and we'll connect with you. I'm a repairer, and so are you. God bless. Have a good day. Bye-bye.